All right, Mr. Lewis, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
All right, Your Excellency. First of all, I want to say how good it is to be in front of you, because I know you are a fair judge and you're going to hear this right, because, you know, my brother needs some help around about now.
Okay.
But my ex over here, Vagelina, she needs to be coming up off the insurance money for these kids. She has not given me any help as far as like taking care of these kids. And then she want to play sports. I need help.
All right, how many kids are we talking?
3.
3? Okay, what are their ages?
16, 12, and 9.
All right.
Who kids are 16, 12, and 9?
The courtroom heats up as Mr. Lewis steps forward pleading for help. He claims his ex Vagelina refuses to properly share insurance money while he's raising 3 children on his own ages 16, 12, and 9. But a shocking question hangs in the air. Are all 3 children biologically his? The judge leans in as tension builds. Secrets are already beginning to surface, and this case is only getting started.
Go ahead.
You don't know?
He don't know. Go ahead. I'm waiting.
Oh, okay. So did you say the wrong ages or something?
16, 12, and 9.
Okay, I got you. Now, you don't have to do all of that back to her.
I'm sorry, Your Excellency.
She'll have her opportunity to speak. I just want to hear your side of things going on right now. So tell me, take a deep breath, do a sigh. All right, now, what is going on? Tell me the backstory.
Okay. So me and Vag got together back in the day.
All right.
We been tight, everything was good. But then she started giving me like all kind of attitude, all kind of problems. She stopped showing up at home.
Mr. Lewis lays out the troubled history. Once deeply in love, they are now locked in a bitter courtroom battle. He says Vagelina constantly argued, brought negativity into the home, and eventually walked away. The judge remains composed, carefully asking for clarity instead of emotion. Who is truly responsible for this breakdown? Stay focused, because this story is layered, complicated, and charged with resentment.
So I don't understand it. So when I was coming...
So y'all don't live together anymore?
No, not right now.
And the children live with?
Me.
Okay, got it. Continue.
Now, okay, let's be straight up. 2 of the kids, mine.
Okay.
I just take care of the little third one because she won't come around.
Okay.
I mean, he all right and stuff like that, but I take care of the third one. He all right, he's straight.
Okay.
But I don't get any insurance payments or any assistance. When these kids have to go to the doctor, when they have to be out of school because one of them hurt their leg or their arm or something like that, I don't get no help. I call her. Look, you take care of the kids. I know that, but I didn't have it.
Then comes the revelation. Point 2 of the children are biologically his, 1 is not. Yet he says he has continued raising all 3 without support, no reliable insurance coverage, no consistent assistance. Just medical bills stacking up when emergencies happen. He claims Vagelina is nowhere to be found when the children are sick or injured. The judge takes detailed notes as the tension in the courtroom intensifies. A critical decision looms ahead.
I understand your frustration.
Help on this.
I understand your frustration.
Thank you.
Were y'all in a relationship?
We were married.
Married? Oh, okay. So y'all are divorced.
Indeed.
All right. So you're under the divorce decree. Who had custody of the kids? Like who were? Okay, you. Okay. All right. All right.
No
Don't tell
bread.
me. So there was an agreement not to receive or pay child support at the time of the divorce?
Well, I didn't really want to.
I don't think the mother should pay child support to the father. You're the father.
I'll get to you in just a moment, and we'll touch on that comment you just made.
They were once married. Now they are divorced. Custody currently rests with Mr. Lewis. Vagelina makes a bold claim that mothers should not have to pay fathers' child support. The judge shuts that statement down immediately. The law does not work that way. Responsibility is not based on gender, it's based on duty. Now the court shifts its focus toward finances, fairness, and who is truly fulfilling their parental obligations.
See, that's what I'm talking about. That's the kind of stuff I have to deal with. She don't want to do nothing for the children. Nothing.
Okay. She doesn't come and pick them up or anything like that?
I ain't gonna say
Lie
that.
about
I ain't gonna say that.
Lie about it.
Excuse me. That's it.
My apologies.
Don't apologize, just don't do it. Okay?
She came and picked them kids up when they had that versus battle.
Okay.
She came and picked them up.
All right.
Other than that,
Was it something special about that battle?
them kids wanted to see it, so she was down for it and stuff like that. Other than that, she ain't come to pick you. Ain't come pick them up for Easter. Not one Easter. One.
Okay.
Mr. Lewis says Vagelina rarely shows up for meaningful moments, no Easter celebrations, no consistent visitation schedule. Just occasional appearances that feel more like confrontations than parenting. He expresses frustration at carrying the weight of raising 3 children alone. Evangelina attempts to defend herself, but the judge interrupts, urging both parties to lower their tone. The family tension is escalating rapidly.
Now, Mr. Lewis, is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her and she gets to tell me her side?
Now, I want you to hear what she got to say right quick, because it ain't going to be too much of nothing. I just need you to help me with this insurance.
Health insurance and child support, right?
I ain't going to really push that, but you know, with you being the judge, Your Honor, you can push that child support, because we need a little help. We need a little help.
Okay.
It's hard out here.
All right. Well, can I move over to her?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Hello, great evening, sunshine. Is it really my turn? You ready? You done? Okay.
Okay, all of that extra.
Because, ma'am, he's not giving you the full
You know,
story.
although I love the bowl, we don't need it right now, okay?
I'm so sorry.
Mr. Lewis pleads again for assistance, health insurance, proper child support, any form of relief. However, his frustration earns him a reminder from the bench to remain respectful in court. The judge then turns to Evangelina. The atmosphere shifts instantly. What will she say about her income, her payments, and her level of involvement? The courtroom braces itself for her side of the story.
Okay, don't be sorry. Just don't do it. Get to the point. Let's go.
My ex-husband, when we divorced,
Okay.
I did not have the job in which I have now. That's how he received
Where do you
custody.
work at now?
I am now a building manager.
Okay.
I have been trying to get custody of my children for several months. The reason for the divorce, once I started working at the building in the beginning, I went to take the maintenance guy over to check out one of the units that needed to be serviced, and my husband was there.
Evangelina steps forward confidently. She explains she now works as a building manager and claims she has been actively fighting for more custody time. Then she makes a bombshell allegation accusing Mr. Lewis of being involved with another woman. The courtroom stirs. The judge keeps firm control, refusing to let emotions override facts. Is this betrayal or deflection? The truth remains unclear.
Sticking a toy in a young lady's ear.
Wait. Your Majesty, that's a declaration.
That is not a decimation of nothing, sir. You were decimating that lady's ear,
Hold on.
sir.
First of all, both of you are saying the word wrong. It's defamation, okay? And there will be no outbursts in here. Let her speak, and then when she is done, if I need clarification or anything, I will come back to you, okay?
I apologize, Your Majesty.
Okay, no apologies, just don't do it. It's that simple. Okay, now continue.
So, after that, I do come and pick up the children every weekend. I also pick them up on Wednesdays, correct?
The accusations intensify. Evangelina openly claims he cheated. Mr. Lewis fires back, defensively stumbling over his words as tempers flare. The judge demands silence and discipline. Evangelina insists she regularly picks up the children and remains active in their lives. But with both sides emotionally charged, clarity becomes harder to find. The truth feels buried beneath anger and pride.
What do you do on...
You're talking to
I'm
me
sorry.
right now. You're not talking to him.
I pick them up every Wednesday and on the weekends.
Okay.
So that's when he go out and do his own nasty finagling with the money that I do send him. The children still call me for assistance financially because the money that I do send them,
How much money do you send them on
I
a
send my
monthly basis?
children $750 a month.
Skirt! $55.
On top of...
I said no outburst. Do you want me to hear this case or not?
I really do. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Okay.
He is sorry. On top of...
I don't need you to throw jabs at.
Evangelina claims she provides $150 per month in addition to extra support, yet says the money seems to disappear. According to her, the children still call her asking for food. Mr. Lewis attempts to interrupt, but the judge silences him immediately. Allegations regarding money responsibility and honesty are now colliding. The central question remains how much financial support is truly reaching the children.
While I am addressing him, okay? You all are going to have to learn to respect each other. Otherwise, I can't get any information that I need, and I'll have to dismiss your case. And I know you do not want this case dismissed.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
$750 a month on top of the insurance that I pay a month. And he just got a new car.
Okay.
And I believe he is about to move.
But he would need a car for the transportation of 3
There was
children.
absolutely nothing wrong with the.
How do you know nothing? How do you know nothing was wrong with his?
The judge warns both parents sternly continue this disrespect and the case could be dismissed. Vagelina states she actually pays $750 monthly plus health insurance while accusing Mr. Lewis of purchasing a new car. Is the child support being used properly or is it funding personal expenses? The judge listens carefully, determined to examine every dollar and separate fact from accusation.
I'm there every week at least twice or 4 times to pick up and
That
drop off.
doesn't mean that nothing is wrong with
Pick up
his
and
car.
drop off.
Excuse me. That doesn't mean
He
that
got a
nothing
new
is
car
wrong with his
because he
car.
let his new girlfriend get the other car.
So are you mad about that?
No, I'm not. I'm mad that my money is not going to my children, and he had me in court asking for more money.
How do you know it isn't going to the children?
My children tell me, Mama, we don't have food in the house.
Do they
Mama,
tell you that or
they
you
do
ask
tell me
them?
that. Oh no, I don't have to ask them.
Well, and while
Any
we're on the
question.
subject of the children, how old are they?
My children, Earth, Wind, and Fire. Our children.
Well, he said
Are
one
seven-
of them. He
are-
said one of them is not his child.
No, all 3 of them.
The debate over vehicles turns bitter. Vagelina claims he passed an older car to his girlfriend while their children complain about empty cabinets at home. Mr. Lewis insists the accusation is completely false. The judge refocuses the conversation back to what truly matters: the children's well-being. Which version of events will hold under scrutiny when evidence replaces emotion?
7, 9, and 11.
That's
7,
That's far
9,
You see
and
what I'm saying?
11.
You see
And
what I'm
yes,
saying,
I
Judge?
do want them to play sports because he have them at home playing video games where they're learning to play with strippers on some video game that the girls shaking their tail on the table, on the pole, on the video game. That's what he got them doing, and he want more money because I want them in sport.
What kind of sports are you
I just
trying
want them to play
in?
football, basketball.
Are you
They
going
can do
to
too.
cover
I
that
do not
expense?
mind.
Okay.
I actually want them back. My son walked in on him and his friend with a stripper, with the coinage, because he only makes.
The allegations take an even darker turn. Vagelina claims Mr. Lewis allows the children to stay home playing video games featuring inappropriate content rather than encouraging sports or productive activity. She says she wants them active and protected from negative influences. Then comes the most shocking claim yet, that one child walked in on Mr. Lewis in a compromising situation. The courtroom gasps. The judge must now weigh very serious accusations against their father.
A garbage, you pick up garbage, drop off
Okay,
garbage.
you don't have
That's
to shade him.
No
At
shade.
least
That's
he's
my
working.
occupation, ma'am.
At least he's working.
I'm not. No tea, no shade.
My job
If
is
he can
waste
pick-
management. While she's trying to trip, it's waste
Pick up trash,
management.
drop off trash, and then pick up trash and pay for it with my coinage. So I don't feel that I should need to pay him anything extra.
Okay, let me ask you a question. How long have you been giving him, like how many months have you been giving him the $750?
It's been since they've been with him, and it's been a year.
Okay.
Year.
Vag, I don't know why you lying this like this.
That's how we're doing this.
I promise you.
No, that's not how we're doing this because y'all are supposed to be talking to me.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Mr. Lewis explains that he works in waste management and feels deeply disrespected by the personal attacks. Vagelina insists she has paid $750 every single month for a full year and accuses him of being ungrateful. Voices rise. Frustration peaks. The judge fights to maintain order as financial truths and personal accusations collide. Who is exaggerating? Who is telling the truth?
He would.
Have text messages from him where
Okay.
he's actually saying thank you for the payment. Thank
Okay.
you for the payment.
And you asked for, hold on one second, and you asked for back child support as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, they've been living with you for the past year. All right. And you're saying that's how much money that you've given him every single month.
Every single month.
Okay. So the children do live with him, which means you should be paying him some sort of child support.
It's $950 so far a month.
Okay. I thought it was $750.
$750 plus the insurance that I'm already paying.
Text message evidence surfaces showing Mr. Lewis thanking Vagelina for her payments. The judge confirms she has been paying $750 per month plus insurance coverage. However, the issue of back child support now enters the conversation. This battle is far from over. The future of these children hangs in the balance. Stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe because in family court, every detail matters and every decision carries lasting impact.